I got the Viral Mango Ice Cream, so we're gonna try it and I'm gonna give it a rating. So let's open it. So I got it open. That was a little difficult, but I got it open and let's try it. That's real good. This is really good. We should have got two. Yeah. Okay. I give it a 10 out of 10. Okay, so this is another thing I decided to try. So let's see how it tastes. So this is how it looks. Maybe that's sour. So that sour grape, I'm gonna have to give that a 5 out of 10. I don't know, because once you get over the sourness, it's not as bad, but that's too sour. I probably won't buy those again.